In this video, I'm going to show you how to undo and redo in Photopea. Before learning the shortcuts, it is important to understand the history panel, which keeps track of the actions you perform in your project. You can find this panel on the upper right side of your screen. If you cannot see it, click on the window option at the top of your screen and enable the history panel from the list. Inside the history panel, you will see a list of the most recent actions you have performed in your project. These actions can include moving an object, creating a new layer, painting on the canvas, typing text, deleting elements, or applying adjustments. The most recent action will appear at the bottom of the list. To undo an action, the simplest method is using the keyboard shortcut. If you are using Windows, press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. If you are using a Mac, press Command+Z. Each time you press this shortcut, Photopea will undo the most recent action. As actions are undone, you will notice in the history panel that the corresponding steps become grayed out, indicating that they are no longer active. You can also undo actions from the top menu. Click on the Edit option at the top of your screen and select the Undo option. This performs the same function as the keyboard shortcut and reverses your most recent change. Redoing an action is just as simple. If you want to bring back an action that you previously undid, you can use the Redo shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl+Shift+Z, and on Mac, press Command+Shift+Z. Each time you press this combination, Photopea will restore the actions that were previously undone. Another way to control undo and redo is through the history panel itself. In this panel, the most recent action is selected by default. If you want to undo something, simply click on an earlier step in the list. Photopea will instantly revert the project to that point. If you want to redo actions again, just click on the newer steps further down the list and the changes will be restored. Using the history panel along with the keyboard shortcuts gives you full control over your editing process and allows you to easily correct mistakes while working on your project. And this is how you can undo and redo actions in Photopea.